Welcome to the very first episode of Kelly's Space. This video is presented for general education and information purposes. The experiments suggested in this video are intended to be done under the supervision of an appropriate adult, such as a parent or teacher. Thank you. My name is Kelly, and today we're going to be learning about sublimation by making dry ice bubbles. For this experiment, you're going to need liquid dish soap, water, dry ice, graduated cylinder, a hammer, tongs, gloves, and safety goggles. Remember, safety first, so let's get our gloves on. Of course, you have to be really safe and put your goggles on. Is it too much? Okay, yeah, much better. Let's get started. So you want to fill your graduated cylinder up about halfway with water. Add soap. So grab your tongs. Please do not touch the dry ice directly with your hands. It is very cold and can give you freezer burn. Dry ice, or carbon dioxide, which is CO2 in its solid form, is actually heavier than water, which is why it sinks to the bottom as you see here. The dry ice goes through a process called sublimation, which is what happens when a solid skips the liquid state and goes straight to gas, which we see as a thick white cloud. As dry ice sublimates, the very cold but now gaseous CO2 vapor is invisible, but it's still very, very cold, and it's cold enough to actually condense the water in the air. What we're seeing rising is actually condensed water vapor. When soap is added, the fog actually acts like an air pump and it fills up the bubbles. And that was sublimation. Join us next time on Kelly's Space when we uncover the science of liquid fireworks. Thanks for learning with me. See ya!